Hello student, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Kunal GeoGIS. From the previous lecture we started a new lecture series of geographical thought, and I have also started a lecture series on GIS and remote sensing on the channel in Hindi, so you can also watch it. In the previous lecture you had studied about the Greek geographer. In today's lecture you will learn about the Roman geographer. In Roman geographer we will see the contribution of two main geographers in Roman, Strabo and Ptolemy. After the Greek geographer, the political power has been passed into hand of Roman, and the Romans' major contribution was in the field of historical as well as geographical regional geography, and but they also made the contribution in the field of mathematical and physical geography. In the Roman, most of the contribution of Strabo and second one is Ptolemy in a geography. So first one is Strabo. Strabo was born in 64 BC in Amasia. Amasia is so miles to the south of Black Sea coast in Turkey. He is first geographer who wrote about many branches of geography, and Strabo did all work in Roman, but this work published in Greek language. So Strabo's treatise geography is the considered as the most important geographical work that has come down to us from the classical period, and Strabo's main contribution was in the field of historical geography. He said that there is an intimate relationship between history and geography, and another his biggest contribution in his monumental work of Geographia is a 17 volume. First two volume is a world geography, and another 8 parts of Europe, 6 part of Asia, and last one is Africa. So he spent too much time in a famous library in Alexandria, taking a note from the works of his procedures and further knowledge of geographical, and then laid the foundation of the chorological geography. Chorological geography means the study of a particular place or a particular region. So then he was also known as the father of regional geography. Another contribution, Strabo in his book gave the description of the geography of Spain, Britain, the Alps, Italy countries, extending to the Greece and the neighboring island of the Asia. And another great geographer of Roman period was Ptolemy, Claudius Ptolemy. So Claudius Ptolemy was a native in Egypt, and he lived and wrote at Alexandria about the middle of the second century. So Ptolemy was one of those genius who's developed the sound principle of mathematical in geography, and his writing inspired the geographer and explorer of the great age of discovery in 14th and 15th century AD to explore the unknown words. And in Ptolemy studies, Ptolemy reviewed the Thales mathematical tradition in his study, and then his best work are the syntaxics, popularly known as Almagest, and the outline of geography. His Almagest deals with the complicated problem of the mathematical geography and as well as astronomy. And then he's accepted the Aristotle view, that Aristotle said that the earth was spherical in a shape, center in the universe, and remained stationary. And then Ptolemy was a significant contribution in the map making. And so in a map making, then Ptolemy's opinion of geography is a science which deals with the art of map making. And after the Ptolemies, they also improve and modify the map in a geography. And the after Ptolemy's death, not much has changes in a geography's field. So in this way, these two have important contribution in a Roman geography, Strabo and Ptolemy. So I hope you understand about these scientists or Roman geographers. So another lecture. So our next lecture on Indian geographer and then the Arab geographer. So thank you for watching today's lecture.